Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Monday, April 29th, 2013. The market opened up this morning here at 1582.25, represented by this white dotted line. We had a nice little hook pattern come out of our opening range. I want to show you how from a higher time frame chart, the way our shark bands work, overhead resistance was met right here at the 87 to 88 level. And then we also had a hook pattern establish, a target that established itself right here at around 10:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and actually didn't complete until right about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We had a nice little sell-off. This particular hook pattern had target 1 and target 2 hit. Target 3 was never hit. So let's take a step down to a lower time frame chart. We generally don't trade from 9:30 till 9:45 in the morning. However, there's one specific setup that we do have that we'll trade it. Total of 6 ticks to the downside. Target 1 and target 2 were hit, working its way towards the half gap. In this particular case, price action rebounded, look off of 2 points off of the open to back to the open. And then generally we don't trade around the opening price just because a lot of traders are told to fade it, and they've been running through it as they did here. So we don't trade usually around 1 point. We also had a news report that pending home sales at 10 o'clock, and so we generally want to be out of any trades. We don't want to be initiating any new trades 3 minutes prior to the news report. Coming out of the news report, there was a nice little burst higher. Pending home sales it was within consensus range, but better than expected on the overall sales. We did wait for a little bit of a pullback. Nice opportunity to get in. First target was hit for a total of 4 ticks, and then got stopped out right to a tick, right from where I entered for it to take off and hits profit. So then you don't want to be chasing a trade. Nice pullback here, opportunity to hit target 1 and target 2. And what you're doing is, with the lower volume we had today, we will see a lot more sideways motion before it moves in the intended direction. Then we went into the no trade zone from 11:30 to 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. I don't trade during the no trade zone. Some traders do. I want you to notice the auto waves were firing off in the no trade zone. 2 opportunities to fire off to be able to scalp it. I don't trade. I think it's an opportunity to take a break, avoid the lower volume and the higher volatility, but I know we do have some traders in the trade room that do follow those trades. 70% of the time we will watch the market move higher in the no trade zone. Coming out of the no trade zone, we have another time frame on our time chart that the market tends to rise from 1:30 till 2 o'clock, and in this particular case it's set up nicely. Target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 12 ticks, and then at 2 o'clock we were out of any long positions. A lot of sideways motion, pullback. I did not get in on this trade, but I want you to notice the auto waves firing off to the downside. So I did put a total of 8 ticks there, but the yellow arrows indicate that I did not take those trades. Then going into the close, we had another opportunity to get long. I did jump in this one. I want you to notice we're below the moving averages. In hindsight, it was a bad trade. Actually, at the time, we knew it was a bad trade. We got stopped out for a total of minus 8 ticks. I only took 1 contract, and I told everybody in the room I was only going to take 1 contract into the close. We were expecting price action to work its way up, back up to the highs, and our market internals were telling us to get out, and yet I still held on and took a total of 8 tick loss. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.